Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to add a website link to your Twitter profile. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the Profile tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Edit Profile button. Scroll down. In the website section, enter your website details. You can also add your social media profile link here. Click Save to apply the changes. As you can see, the changes has been applied. This is how you can add a website link to your Twitter profile. Thank you for watching.